Tameron Hyundai. Renee, you inquired about the Sonata. I wanted to take the opportunity. You didn't specify trim package. That's okay. This is going to give you a great brief overview. Let's step right to it. This has the sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, there's ample room for 3 passengers, as well as an armrest that lets down with 2 cup holders. Now on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got your Bluetooth, you've got your radio controls, you've got your cruise control, the area here that toggles through your back display. Now in the center, if you'll notice, the HD radio also reverts to a backup camera. Now, this also comes equipped with the latest Blue Link telematics, Renee. We'll go into that whenever you and I meet. But the most important thing is America's best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership, Renee, at no cost to you, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate assigned just to you. My cell number, 205-907-4700. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Again, Renee, my name is Shannon, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.